In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to pay on Jumia app. Let's say you just want to buy something on Jumia and you're ready to pay. So then maybe you're having issue on making payment. There's a lot of way you can actually pay on Jumia app. So the first one I'm going to show you, and the second one and the other option that you actually have to pay on Jumia. Let's say you already select the product you actually want to buy. So let's say I want to buy this particular Nexus fan right there. I'm going to click on that, then click on add to cart, for example. So I'm going to click on add to cart, then click on the cart at the top right there. You can see I have two items in my cart. You can see the first fan and the second fan right here. So I'm going to remove the first fan that I added, so you're going to remain the second one I just added, which cost 22,500 naira. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on checkout. So on this checkout page, you're gonna input all your details right there so that you'll be able to continue. So once all your details are completed, the next thing you're gonna do is to click on confirm order. So right here on the delivery section, if the order is available for pay on delivery, you're gonna see the option right there. But this one is only a pickup station, which means I have to pay first on the order page before the order can be shipped. So I'm going to click on confirm order. So on this place your order right there, they're going to show me how to pay. You can see there are different options with the Jumia pay on how I can actually pay. The page is load, so I'm going to wait for that to load so that you can see this is Jumia pay. I can pay with USSD or bank transfer, or you can see use a different payment method. So I can also click on that, then gonna show me other method that I can use to pay. You can see this is the first one that I showed with bank transfer or USSD. I can also pay with my card. You can also see some other card that I already added. So I'm gonna scroll down so you can see all the card that I have used. I can also use Monify USSD code. I can also pay with MasterCard and Visa. I can pay with bank transfer, and I can pay with USSD code. So just select the one you actually want to use, then you're gonna click on pay now. So once you click on pay now, then they're gonna the best way you choose is gonna show you. So let's say you want to do the bank transfer, they give you a bank details you need to make payment to. If I click on pay with USSD or bank transfer right here, then I click on pay now, then gonna show me a bank which of course I can actually send money to. You can see right here bank name, Wema Bank, account number to send money to, beneficiary name. You can see right there, just copy paste. So I have to send this exact amount, which is 24,420 naira. So once you pay that amount to this Wema Bank account, so you can see right here, please follow the instruction below and do not refresh or leave this page. Payment confirmation may take up to 2 minutes. So once you send money to this account, just leave this page. The payment will automatically be confirmed, and then this page will reload and confirm you that you have made the payment. So that is how you can make payment or place an order or pay on Jumia app. It's very easy, and if you have any issue, you can let us know in the comment section. I'm gonna walk you through on how to go about it.